Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing a DIY Afro puff. To create this, we'll be needing a mesh weaving cap, a crochet hook, a mannequin head, and I'll be using the kinky bulk hair in color 1. First, you need to detach your hair from the package and clip out the ends so that you have one smooth texture from one end to the other. Now I'm just going to separate my hair into smaller sections that will help me pass them through the mesh weaving cap easily. Once you've gotten your hair in the size, once you've gotten your extension in the size that you want to work with, you curl it around your finger and then pass your crochet hook through the mesh cap and use that to hook onto the hair and pull, create like a loop, and then pull through that loop to tighten. Once you successfully do that, just pull on the ends to make sure it's secure and not loose. We will be repeating this step throughout the entire process until we achieve the volume we want our Afro puff to be.
I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors.
Now I'm just looking through to see if I'm happy with the volume of the hair as it is at the moment, and also checking to see if there are spaces in between where I need to go back and fill in with some more hair. And I'll be repeating this step as well throughout the process, so going back in to see what parts look a bit sparse and just filling in with more hair until I am completely satisfied with the volume, the density of this Afro puff.
Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Okay, I think I'm happy with the density, I'm happy with the volume that I have achieved so far.
In the great outdoors,
Just going to add a few more here and there.
forever free. Bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time.
Okay, so this is done.
It's clear to see from up here. The world
And I'm just
seems
showing an
small.
aerial view of how it looks.
We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
I bought a pair of shoelaces, just showing you that this is indeed shoelace I have in that packet. And I'm just taking one of them. I'm going to remove the hair from the mannequin head and just pass this through and just fold it a little bit around the edges, and then use this lace to pass through the mesh cap to create some sort of drawstring. And I'm doing this process after I have trimmed the hair. I didn't get a clip of trimming the hair, I did that off camera. Just trim the hair to the length that you want, the length and shape that you are happy with.
Meant to be
Once that is done, I'm creating a little knot just so that it stays in place and it doesn't roll or the lace doesn't fall out.
meant to be in the great outdoors.
Yep, all good. To apply this, now I have already, this is like day 2 of this look actually. I have put some gel in her hair and just put her hair up in a bun, and I also put the top part of the bun in a 3-strand twist. Now to revive it, I'm just spraying some detangling conditioner and going in to brush the hair. I would also spray some oil on the hair as well and just brush it up nicely before applying the Afro puff. So to put the puff onto the head, just the space in between, and then you have your knot. So you just wear that the way you wear any other wig. Put that around the bun that you already have on the head, and tighten the drawstrings. Wrap the lace around, the shoelace around a few times, just to make sure that it's hidden and is well covered by the hair, and you're done. I'm just spraying some oil so that it gets rid of the flaking that comes with using gel. I use the Eco Styler gel when I put the hair in a bun. And I'm just going to brush again to create a smooth finish. Now we have our finished look. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, bye.